In macOS, what is the keyboard shortcut to switch between windows of the same application? I often use the CMD plus tab shortcut to switch between different applications, for example, Xcode and Google Chrome, but is there a shortcut to switch between different windows of the same application, for example, from one window in Google Chrome to another?
The default shortcut is CMD, that's a backtick. You can always change that shortcut if the given one does not work out for you. Go to System Preferences Keyboard Shortcuts. Here, assign a custom combination to Keyboard Move Focus to next window, under OS X 10.9 and above. Keyboard Move Focus to the next window in application, until OS X 10.8. This will allow you to toggle between the open windows of any application. Note: CMD works only if all windows are on the same workspace. Comment at Theas.
Command backtick. Plus.
This is what I found on my default US English keyboard setting. Toggle between different apps, Command plus Tab. Toggle between same app in same workspace, Command plus. Toggle between same app across different workspace. View same app windows across all workspaces and GT, Control plus down arrow, then select with arrow keys or click the app window you want.
I'm on Mavericks and I was looking for a keyboard shortcut to quickly switch between tabs in Chrome. CMD Plus didn't work for me, although I made sure it was correctly set up in System Preferences Keyboard Shortcuts. What I found is that Control plus Tab works. So for me it's CMD plus Tab to switch between applications, and Control plus Tab to switch between the same application's windows. Try this if other suggested solutions don't work.
If you want to support channel, please consider subscribing.